Millions of people around the world are 3D printing every day, and they're looking for different ways to print faster, use less filament, and have better quality. So we decided we're going to try something a little bit different. We decided to take a 3D printer and put it upside down. So we took this Bambu Labs A1 Mini and we mounted it to our ceiling. We used some plumber strap here. It's actually mounted like really solid. So we're pretty hopeful that this is going to give us some good results. So we have our Benchy model here. As you can see, we don't have any support selected. And it looks like with the prep time, it's going to be 24 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and send this baby to the printer. So guys, we really have no idea if this is going to work at all. We are using the smooth plate here, and I did put just a little bit of glue on it. So we're kind of waiting just like you guys to see if this is going to work. All right, guys, holy smokes, it actually worked. And right behind me here, we printed on this X1 carbon a second benchmark to test it to. So we're going to pop these off real quick so that you can see. Oh, that glue. Wow. So these are kind of the fast speed Benchies that you can find on Maker World. So they do print pretty quick, but I'm kind of surprised at the amount of stringing that we see here on the X1 Carbon because they were printing at the same speed. This might be a game changer, guys. Look, no stringing. I don't know. What do you think? You guys need to let us know in the comments. We're going to keep printing with this thing just like this. And if we have anything crazy happen, we'll let you guys know. But until then, see you next time.